Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you tired of creating social media posts that fall flat? Do you want to learn the trick to making your posts go viral? Well, you're in luck because today I'm sharing a game-changing hack that will take your content creation to the next level using ChatGPT. Step 1. Access the magic tool. To get started, open ChatGPT and click on the option in the left top corner. From there, select Explore GPTs. Step 2. Find the perfect GPT. In the Explore GPT section, you'll see a lot of options in the featured section. But don't worry, we're looking for something specific. Search for Viral LinkedIn Post Formatter. Step 3. Choose the right tool. You'll see several options pop up, including Professional LinkedIn Post Writer, LinkedIn Profile Optimizer, and Viral LinkedIn Post Formatter. Click on the Viral LinkedIn Post Formatter option. Step 4. Ask the magic question. Now it's time to ask the tool to create a viral post for you. Let's try something interesting. Have you ever wondered what's better, freelancing or a 9-to-5 job? Let's ask our GPT to compare the two. Type in your question, compare freelancing with a 9-to-5 job, and watch as the GPT creates a well-researched and engaging post. Look at how beautifully and professionally he's giving you answers. This is exactly what you need to take your content to the next level. In fact, if you're a YouTuber, you can use this technique to create viral videos that will blow your audience's minds. Just look at the golden rules of YouTube, and you'll see how this type of content can help you dominate the platform. But that's not all. Let's say you want to create a financial plan, but you're not sure where to start. What percentage of your income should you invest? Should you prioritize saving or spending? Let's ask our GPT for advice. Type in your question. How can I create a financial plan and what percentage of my income should I invest? And see how the GPT responds with a helpful and informative answer, including the viral 50-30-20 rule and even a new advanced method called the 6-account method. Look at how our GPT is sharing a new advanced method that you can use to take your finances to the next level. This is exactly what you need to create viral content that will amaze your audience. That's it. With these simple steps, you can create viral social media posts that will engage and impress your audience. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and watch your social media posts go viral.